Mastering product development process. Product success hinges on precision KPI tracking. How can we effectively identify and track the key performance indicators, KPIs, that accurately measure the success of our product development process, enabling us to achieve operational excellence and drive continuous improvement? To effectively identify and track the key performance indicators, KPIs, that accurately measure the success of our product development process, enabling us to achieve operational excellence and drive continuous improvement, we will implement a structured approach that involves the following steps. Step 1. Define goals and objectives. Establish clear and specific goals and objectives for the product development process, aligned with the organization's overall strategy and vision. This will help to identify the most critical KPIs that need to be tracked. The goals and objectives should be measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Step 2. Identify stakeholders and their requirements. Identify all stakeholders involved in the product development process, including customers, project managers, engineers, quality teams, and manufacturing teams. Gather their requirements and expectations from the process, including what they need to measure and track to ensure success. Step 3. Conduct a process mapping exercise. Conduct a process mapping exercise to visualize and understand the current product development process, from concept to launch. This will help to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement. The process map should include all stages of the product development process, including design, prototyping, testing, and production. Step 4. Identify and prioritize KPIs. Using the process map and stakeholder requirements, identify a list of potential KPIs that can be used to measure the success of the product development process. Prioritize these KPIs based on their relevance, importance, and impact on the process. The most critical KPIs should be those that have the greatest impact on customer satisfaction, revenue, and profitability. Step 5. Categorize KPIs into buckets. Categorize the identified KPIs into buckets or categories, such as time to market KPIs, e.g., cycle time, lead time. Quality KPIs, e.g., defect rate, failure rate. Cost KPIs, e.g., development cost, production cost. Innovation KPIs, e.g., patent filings, new feature adoption. Customer satisfaction KPIs, e.g., customer satisfaction surveys, net promoter score. Step 6. Establish data collection and reporting mechanisms. Establish data collection and reporting mechanisms to track and measure the identified KPIs. This may involve implementing new data collection tools, such as dashboards, reports, or databases, to capture and analyze data from various sources, including project management tools, testing and validation systems, and customer feedback surveys. Step 7. Define target values and thresholds. Define target values and thresholds for each KPI, based on industry benchmarks, historical data, and stakeholder requirements. These targets and thresholds will help to identify areas that require improvement and enable data-driven decision-making. Step 8. Implement continuous monitoring and review. Implement a continuous monitoring and review process to track and analyze KPI data on a regular basis, such as monthly or quarterly. This will help to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement, and enable the team to make data-driven decisions to optimize the product development process. Step 9. Drive continuous improvement. Use the insights and data from the KPI tracking to drive continuous improvement initiatives, such as process optimization, resource reallocation, or training and development programs. This will help to achieve operational excellence and drive continuous improvement in the product development process. Step 10. Review and refine KPIs. Regularly review and refine the KPIs to ensure they remain relevant and effective in measuring the success of the product development process. This may involve adjusting targets and thresholds, adding new KPIs, or retiring outdated ones, to ensure the KPIs continue to drive operational excellence and continuous improvement. By following these steps, We can effectively identify and track the key performance indicators that accurately measure the success of our product development process, enabling us to achieve operational excellence and drive continuous improvement.